Thousands are expected to flock to passenger terminals and cemeteries this weekend in the annual observance of Undas, or All Saints' Day and All Souls' Day. Let's check in first with the situation at bus terminals in Quezon City. Our reporter MJ Salcedo joins us live from Cubao. MJ?
Yes, Neil, we are currently here at the Baliwag Bus Terminal in Cubao, Quezon City, and you can see behind me the passengers already waiting for their respective bus to travel to their home provinces ahead of the Undas break. According to the dispatcher of the Baliwag Terminal, from their first trip at 2:30 a.m. until 9 a.m. in the morning, 44 buses with 49 seat capacity departed from Bulacan and Nueva Ecija provinces. The estimated number of passengers is 2,150. We also asked around in other bus terminals here in Quezon City, where their management told us that the surge in passengers going to different provinces already started this Thursday morning. For Genesis Bus Terminal, 40 buses each with a seating capacity of 45 departed between 12 a.m. and 8 a.m. They carried an estimated 2,250 passengers to destinations including Baguio City, Pampanga, Bataan, Olongapo, and Baler. At 5-Star Bus Terminal, 40 buses with 45 seating capacity carrying a total of 1,800 passengers traveled to Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, Cagayan, Pampanga, and Isabela from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Meanwhile, Cisco Bus Terminal, which serves routes to Nueva Ecija and Pangasinan, recorded an estimated 765 passengers aboard 17 buses from 1:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. this Thursday. As for the Solid North Bus Terminal, serving routes to Pangasinan, 12 buses with 45 seating capacity or carrying an estimated total number of passengers of 540 started to travel from 1 a.m. to 9:20 a.m. As for the Alps Terminal going to Batangas, recorded 765 passengers or 15 buses with 51 seating capacity from 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. Management of some of these terminals noted that the morning traffic was still normal, but expects a surge in passengers in the afternoon and evening, and until tomorrow, October 31, or the start of the holiday. With this, personnel from different agencies such as the Philippine National Police and MMDA roam around here to ensure the safety of passengers and also to manage the traffic amidst this Undas travel rush. Only yesterday or on Wednesday, Acting Transportation Secretary Giovanni Lopez said the management and operators of public transportation, including bus terminals, have been placed on heightened alert during the Undas holiday. Back to you, Neil.
MJ, just one question, meron bang mga extra na paghahanda yung mga management ng mga bus terminals natin para sa ating mga driver? Because when we talk about ganito klaseng season, we also talk about road safety.
Yes, as for the drivers naman, Neil, matatandaan natin kahapon lamang ay sa PITX din, nagsagawa si Transportation Secretary Giovanni Lopez at iba pang mga ahensya, kasamang iba pang mga ahensya, ng random drug testing upang matiyak nga na talagang handa yung mga driver at talagang kumbaga handa sila para dito sa Undas break dahil dadagsaan nga talaga ang mga pasahero. At sabi rin ng nakausap nga natin kanina dito sa bus terminal, ang dispatcher dito, nakausap natin, ang sabi dito na sa ngayon, medyo dumadami ang mga pasahero. Ngunit pagdating daw ng tanghali, yun nga, this afternoon and also, more importantly, sa evening and tomorrow, mas dadami pa yung mga pasahero. Kaya naman, mas paghahandaan daw nila ito upang yung ating mga pasahero ay mas ma-accommodate, Neil.
Kasi may mga availability pa rin ba ng mga bus for tomorrow and perhaps for November 1 para doon sa mga kababayan naman natin na perhaps Friday or Sabado pa makakauwi?
Yes, Neil, talagang handang-handa nga dito yung management ng bus terminals dito sa Quezon City na nakausap natin. They also said na talagang simula daw last year sa mga nakaraang taon pa na alam na nila, inaasahan na nila na the passengers, yung ating mga kababayan ay talagang sanay daw sa rush hour, kaya naman mas dadami pa daw bukas. Kaya mas paghahandaan daw nila yung mga bus na kanilang ide-deploy dito. At kung sakali daw nakatulad dito sa Baliwag Terminal at pati na rin sa 5-star terminal sa iba't ibang terminals dito sa Quezon City, na kapag kung sakali dito sa isang terminal nga dito sa Cubao ay pupunta or babiyahe sa Nueva Ecija for example, meron na agad kapalit na isa pang bus para naman yung mga susunod na passenger na babiyahe rin sa probinsyang ayon ay ma-accommodate nyo.